Good morning, everyone. This is Shireen Mendoza, on-site CEO and part owner of Sphere Rocket Virtual Assistants. And we are here at Bayanan Elementary School in Bayanan, Muntinlupa City. And we are going to give away 150 school supplies to our beneficiaries, which is grade 1, grade 2, and grade 3, who are participating in their learning camp for the Brigada Escuela 2024. Come, join me and my team to give away those school supplies. May munti akong handog at regalo para sa inyong lahat na sana magustuhan nyo dahil alam ko at alam naming lahat makakatulong sa pag-aaral ninyo. Ang gusto lang ni Ate Shireen ay mag-aaral kayong mabuti.